Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and an easy to follow tutorial on Pinterest. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a board on Pinterest. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, open Pinterest on a device and tap the profile icon at the bottom right. Here, tap the board you want to delete and tap the three dots at the top right corner. On the pop-up menu, tap Edit Board. On the Edit page, you will be able to see the Delete option at the bottom, so tap on it. Remember that deleting boards is permanent, and you will not be able to undo this. Tap Delete again to confirm. And that's how you delete a board on Pinterest. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.